ووتارێک بە زمانی ئنگلیزی لەلایەن کاک وشارەوە دەخوێنرێتەوە با فەرمی.
هاوڕێیانم سڵاوتان لێبێ، سپاس بەوەی کە هەمووتان بەدەم بانگوازەکانمەوە هاتن و لێرە ئامادەبوون دەستان خۆش بێت. Today we are here as a DAKOK organization for rights and freedom to commemorate anniversary of the martyrdom of the journalist Wădad Hussein, which is being killed by an armed group of the authority in Kurdistan. Wădad Hussein, he is an independent journalist in Rosh magazine. The journalist was martyred under the torture of the armed group. It's only because he criticized the authority. So far, the culprits have not been arrested. The Kurdish authority in Kurdistan, PDK and PUK, they are responsible for killing journalists, especially for killing Wădad Hussein. PDK, which is the greatest authority in Kurdistan, they are responsible for killing these journalists. We are here to shame this terrorist act, and the culprits must be prosecuted. Freedom for journalists. How to allow them to know زمانی إنجليزي please. Freedom for journalists.
Freedom for journalists.
Freedom for journalists.
Freedom for journalists.
Shame on terrorists.
Shame on terrorists.
Shame on the terrorists.
Shame on the terrorists.
Freedom for journalists.
Freedom for journalists.
Shame on the terrorists.
Shame on the terrorists.
دەستان خۆش بێت، زۆر سپاس.
زۆر سپاس کاک وشار.